Welcome back to our channel, guys. So today is Christmas tree lighting dito sa Kidapawan City. Kahit umuulan, ayan, nag-countdown po tayo dyan at super enjoy po kahit na maulan.
So mga 4, 3, 2, 1.
Kahit yung video ko ay na-pause because of the rain. So kahit maulan ay napakasaya po talaga kasi it's, you know, we need to feel the Christmas vibes also. So ayan, nagtampis ako kami, umuwi kaming basa at together with the kids. So it's just ano po, napakasayang moment at banding po naming magpamilya. So ayan, advance Merry Christmas everyone! So ayan, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!